Hi everyone, I'm Isra.
And I'm Caitlin.
And today we're going to make a summer squash medley with a variety of vegetables and spices.
This is a heart-healthy side dish that will pair nicely with your main entree.
It is low in fat, is a good source of fiber, and packed full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are the ingredients we will use today: olive oil, zucchinis, an onion, garlic, and today we're going to be using minced garlic, but you can also use fresh cloves. We're going to be using cumin as well, salt, and black pepper.
We're also going to be using tomatoes and corn, and we're going to use frozen corn today, but feel free to use canned or fresh, whatever you prefer. We're going to be using some jalapenos, and we have some gloves here so we don't get any oils on our hands that would irritate our skin. Also want to make sure that you don't touch your eyes after dealing with the jalapenos. And then we're going to use a whole lime for fresh lime juice, but feel free to use store-bought lime juice, about 3 tablespoons. And we're going to use a little bit of sugar to balance out the flavor, and cilantro.
For this recipe, you will need a cutting board, a knife, a large skillet and lid, a large spoon, measuring spoons and cups, and a lime juicer. And you can also use your hands. Before you get started, you want to make sure that all countertops and utensils are cleaned and sanitized.
And don't forget to wash your hands.
This will prevent the spread of germs and will keep your food and family safe.
Since this recipe includes fresh produce, make sure to wash all your vegetables well before cooking.
So I've already cut the ends of the zucchini. Now I'm going to cut the zucchini in half lengthwise. And then I'm going to slice each half. Then we're going to dice half of an onion. I'm going to cut the ends of the onion. Then I'm going to cut it in half and then remove the outermost layer of it.
And while she's dicing this onion, I'm going to heat the skillet to a medium heat.
Then I'm going to dice the onion so that we can put it into the skillet.
While the skillet's heating, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil.
Then we're going to measure out 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. You can also use 3 fresh cloves of garlic if you'd prefer that. Garlic is high in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. It can boost your immune system, lower your blood pressure, and lower bad cholesterol. Now we're going to add the zucchinis and onions to the heated skillet and stir them frequently for 4 to 5 minutes.
Now we're going to dice 2 medium tomatoes. First, I'm going to cut off the ends. And then I'm just going to dice the tomato into small pieces. Then we're going to put on gloves and chop 2 jalapenos. Jalapenos boost your metabolism and suppress appetite. They can act as a natural pain reliever, can stabilize blood sugar, lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and fight infection. I'm going to cut the ends off with jalapeno. Cut the jalapeno lengthwise and remove the white membrane so you can reduce the spiciness along with all the seeds. And next we're going to finely chop the jalapenos. Then we're going to remove the stems from the cilantro and finely chop half a cup. Then we are going to add the tomatoes, jalapenos, cilantro, and frozen corn into the skillet. Lastly, we will add half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, one teaspoon of black pepper, and squeeze 1 lime. Cumin helps with digestion and is high in iron and antioxidant. It can also promote weight loss, improve cholesterol levels, and fight inflammation.
Now we're going to reduce the heat and cook slowly for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally. Vegetables have many health benefits, including reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. They contain fiber, which regulates your digestive system and helps you feel fuller longer. After we have let it cook for a few minutes, we will cover the skillet and allow the dish to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving.
You can pair this side dish with your favorite entree. It's great to bring to a potluck and feeds about 8 people. It's low calorie, low fat, and a great source of many nutrients.
Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed this video.
If you would like to get more recipes like this one, click below to like and subscribe to the RHN WIC YouTube channel.